This is an unboxing and review of the Greadio MD-T26, a DSP AM/FM shortwave radio. It's a 3-band DSP radio. DSP is an abbreviation for digital signal processor. Back in the day, building an analog radio required numerous transistors, chips, and discrete components. Today it's a full-band radio within one DSP chip. That gives you more value for your money. Aside from being less costly to manufacture and purchase, DSP radios offer greater stability, more functionality, and superior sound quality. Hello. Hi there. My name is Ron Z. I'm an electrical engineer and radio enthusiast. A friend at Greadio sent us a free MD-T26 radio to test, evaluate, and review. I like this portable radio a lot. It's capable, robust, and easy to use. An all-purpose fairly good-size large portable radio that does the job. This radio offers good performance at a reasonable price, has simple easy-to-use controls, large volume and tuning knobs, an accurate LCD display, strong reception and a solid build quality. The large tuning knob rotates smoothly and is great on the AM and FM bands. FM sensitivity, selectivity, and audio are awesome. AM is clear for music and speech. The radio comes nicely packed in a cardboard box with styrofoam spacers for protection. A heavy-duty quality AC line cord and an English user manual are in the box. It's made in China, as are most radios these days. The Greadio MD-T26 is currently available from Amazon, where it's highlighted with an Amazon's Choice badge for highly rated, well-priced products available to ship immediately. The radio's dimensions are 9.4 by 2.4 by 5.9 inches. Weight is 1.68 pounds. The body is durable rugged plastic. The front color is pewter metallic silver. The back is black. White large lettering on controls is easily read. There's a large volume knob on the front, which is also an on-off switch. The front speaker is 3.5 inches, 2 watts, behind an attractive black metal grille that wraps around onto the left side. There is a 2-position tone control switch, labeled low-high. The low position increases bass. Toggle this switch and the change in audio is noticeable. I keep it on low for music and toggle to high for speech. A 3.5mm mono earphone audio jack is located on the right side of the radio. Headphone fidelity is good for FM, with a strong mid-range and high range. There's a convenient built-in handle for travel. This handle can also fold back, to serve as a stand. A red LED power indicator is just above the LCD display. If the volume is turned down completely, the power LED indicates whether the radio is on. I use this radio mainly for AM and FM listening. The AM frequency band is 520 to 1710 kHz, also referred to as medium wave. FM is 87 to 108 MHz. Reception was excellent, both during day and night. This radio had good sensitivity and selectivity. Even without the whip antenna extended, it brought in an impressive number of AM and FM stations, including distant and low-powered local ones. For a portable radio of its size, the speaker sound was outstanding, with strong lows and highs. At maximum volume it was loud. The radio features a large, easy-to-read, 3x1¼ LCD. Whenever the radio is off, time is displayed in a 24-hour format. When the radio's on, the exact tuning frequency is displayed. It also remembers the station that was tuned in when you last powered off. I was impressed with the accuracy of the displayed frequencies. Also, frequencies were stable and didn't drift with time. So the LCD either shows time or frequency, but both are not displayed simultaneously. Frequency and time lettering is 3/4 of an inch tall, and is very readable in normal room lighting. The LCD display does not have backlight illumination, an indicator for battery life or signal strength. The clock function does not have a wake-up alarm or sleep timer. This radio's shortwave band goes from 4.7 to 18 MHz. I heard a few shortwave stations. Manually tuning the radio for shortwave stations was tedious and required patience. A steady light touch on the tuning knob was needed to slowly adjust the frequency to catch a station. A knob to fine-tune shortwave frequencies would have been helpful. Since this is an inexpensive radio, just consider shortwave reception to be an extra bonus. For serious shortwave listening, this radio won't be my daily driver. Fortunately, I own several expensive sophisticated shortwave radios which have automatic scanning. That locates shortwave stations quickly, and they also include SSB for listening to ham operator transmissions. The 4-section telescoping antenna extends from 8 inches to 2 feet. The whip antenna not only extends, but it also pivots, even through the handle, when using the handle as a stand. This antenna is only used for FM and shortwave. In my location, AM and FM worked fine with the antenna collapsed. I only needed to extend the antenna for shortwave. The AM band, also called medium wave, does not use the telescoping antenna at all. Instead, AM uses its own internal ferrite antenna, which was effective for pulling in local stations, semi-locals, and distant stations. The radio does not have an antenna jack. For better FM and shortwave reception, I clipped on a 23-foot wire to the existing antenna whip. A do-it-yourself inexpensive universal reel antenna can be made from $3 in parts. 23 feet of 22 AWG stranded insulated wire, an alligator clip, and a mono audio plug. Store-bought reel antennas are 23 feet of 26-gauge wire. Here are a few tips for better shortwave listening. It's better done at night. Run the radio on battery power to decrease static. Connect a long wire antenna to increase signal strength. Place the fully extend wire as high as possible and next to a window. Attach the antenna wire to the bottom of the telescoping antenna for the best result. Listen to shortwave outdoors or experiment and find the place in your home that has the least electrical interference. Reception will improve. More stations will be picked up, and more will be understandable. On the left side there's a jack for the 5-foot power cord, which is included in the box. Having the jack on the side allows the radio to be placed flush against a wall, which was helpful in my kitchen. For mobile operation, this radio can run on 4D batteries. I recommend alkaline. Regular or heavy-duty zinc carbon batteries will also work. Rechargeable batteries are okay, but the radio does not charge them. The radio runs around 70 hours at moderate speaker volume on a fresh set of alkaline batteries. According to the user manual, while the radio is powered by AC, it's best to remove the batteries. Note that with 4D batteries installed, the radio becomes rather heavy but remains stable. This radio is reminiscent of a nostalgic old-school design, which withstands abuse. Compared to other portable radios in its class, its longer antenna helps get better FM reception. On the AM band it's good for music, sports, and talk radio. It's an ideal kitchen radio. The user-friendly controls, big LCD screen, large knobs, and convenient headphone jack make it an ideal gift for either kids or senior citizens. As for versatility, pop off the back and add batteries. It's transformed into a first-class useful emergency, beach, or camping radio. I think you'll like it. There is a 1-year warranty. A Greadio fan group on Facebook provides technical support and product updates. The Greadio service team email is info@thegradio.com. I hope you found my presentation enjoyable and helpful. Channel subscribers will receive notifications as new best value product reviews are posted. Goodbye for now and good luck.